On the front of the valve, there are check valves and screens. It's these two locations right here, one for hot and one for cold. You open them up by twisting and pulling. Please make sure you have your waters off first. You'll need to turn your water off. Then it's easiest with a pair of needle nose pliers. Just to reach in, you can grab one of them. Just grab one of the tabs and pull it out. On the back side, you can see the screen. You can just take that to another faucet in the house and clean it off, brush it off, and then just reinsert it. It goes in this direction here. And then with your finger, just push it in. You'll feel it snap into place. And put the cap back on. And locks in place. It's just a quarter turn catch. And then on your thermo cartridge, here again, 36 millimeter. Remove your cartridge nut. Just grab the stem of the cartridge, pull it out, and here you have your screens that may have some debris on them. Here again, you can take it to another faucet in the house and just brush it off and wash it off, rinse it off. And then when reinstalling, you have your little tab right here. And on the inside of the valve, there's a little notch out or cut out for it. Just line it up, slide it in. It'll snap into place. Take your cartridge nut, thread it on, and snug it up.